Today I am reviewing this cat donut. You want to put this around your cat's neck if you're trying to get them to not get to something. And I think this is really cool because it is actually a donut. It's super soft, so it won't irritate them that much. It has loops right here to put their collar through if needed, and you can loosen it up right here. This is in the medium size, so it should fit Peachy just fine. Of course, see here. You can see how it fits. Then you can cinch it up. Works really well. Give her a little treat for that. Yeah, you can see that this works, and it's a nice solution with this nice soft donut versus the hard one. And you can see she hardly cares at all. And look at, let's see here. Okay, there you go. Look how cute that is. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.